An average ski company will make maybe 10 to 20 new models a year. We'll make 10 to 20 new models of skis by the end of an average week. We're a really unique operation because we actually take everybody through a fitting system and we design skis for the individual. So our expertise is fitting people into their perfect skis, which basically a ski that fits you well is going to be more versatile. It's more fun. It basically improves your balance, comfort, and control. We're super lucky to get to do all of that right here in Mountain Village. I would say overall what we're known for is probably being the best in the world at fitting people, determining what your best skis are, and then we have a really unique platform for being able to go through the same steps every time, but manufacturing a totally unique set of skis. My background is mechanical engineering and computer science. I actually worked as an engineer in the golf industry, and that's where I learned about design and manufacturing of high-tech sports equipment. We make toys for people, so it's a really fun work environment. And we've got everybody from graphic designers to a bunch of engineers and craftspeople, experts at attention to detail and working with their hands. And so it's really a team effort, but I feel like we have the best lifestyle here. If you like outdoor recreation, there's no place that's better. It's world-class skiing, hiking, biking, all of the Colorado outdoor stuff, and it's arguably in the most beautiful location. The future is really bright for Mountain Village. We've got new development going on that's going to bring in more people, more restaurants, and from a business climate, it's a good place to be.